Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. So let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards for your general energies, guys, and one card for your relationship, what you feel about this person or what they feel about you in this relationship, and we'll be picking one card from the angel guidance deck. So what is the angel's guidance for us today, Capricorn? So we'll turn the cards now, guys. Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, Four of Pentacles. Capricorn, the energy with these cards for your daily energies, guys. You are a person who has a great ability and skill, guys, and you are a person who puts your skill into action to the maximum. So you give in your 100% in anything, and you have a practical knowledge of doing things in a better way, and you have that attention for details. Even you are a person who gives attention even to minor details, Capricorn. So whatever work you take up, you put in your maximum efforts to make things go in a correct way, and you are a very knowledgeable person, and you are very skilled and able, and this may relate to your work situation or in your personal life. So you are putting in your efforts, struggling hard really to make things go your way, guys, and you are a person who wants to take control in your situation. So or you may be clinging on to certain beliefs or ideals that you have. You are a person who does not easily give in to other people's suggestions or views. So that may be working against you. You may take certain decisions that may go wrong, guys. So that is the energy here. You don't take other people's counsel or suggestions, and you are against change. So whatever you firmly believe in, you do that. That is the energy here, guys. Maybe regarding some situations in your life or your personal life, you need to listen, you need to wait for certain things to happen in a positive way before rushing into certain decisions. And you are a person who rushes in when you totally believe that your action is right, that your decision is right. So today you need to hold and wait, guys, for things to go in a positive way before you make your decisions and decide on anything. So you need to avoid that bluntness and that swift action, and wait for the right moment. That is the energy here with these cards. So this may relate to your work situation or your personal life, guys. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Ace of Wands, a very good card here, Capricorn. So you may be seeing a new beginning in your relationship, or you may be, if you are in a single, if you are single, you may be seeing somebody approaching you with a proposal. So if you are already in a relationship with this person, you may move into a deeper understanding with this person, or some new beginning, maybe marriage or engagement with this person, or adventurous trip, something which you are really passionate about. So in this relationship you are doing things that you both really love, and you share that great understanding and affection in this relationship. That compatibility is there in this relationship. That is what I see here with this card, Capricorn. So let us see what is the angel guidance message for you all, guys. Harmony. So the energy with this card, Capricorn, is that always in our life, all that confusion and conflicts that we face is all due to our thoughts. So the worries and anguish, whatever we have in our mind, it dominates us, it dominates our experience, and we see any situation with our judgment and fear. So we have to learn to calm ourselves first, guys. We have to learn to quieten our mind. When we do that, when we have a calm mind, we will be able to establish that acceptance of others, of other people, or of that situation that we are in. When we do that, we will get a deeper understanding about our situation, guys, and we will experience harmony in our life, and we will have that balance. We will be able to balance our emotions and balance in our mind. So that is what the angels are guiding us with, Capricorn, and that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.